Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another edition of the story behind the car, and I'm looking at a Backdraft Cobra. And let me introduce, your name is?
Scott Seaman.
Scott, and how long have you owned the car?
About 6 weeks now.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
And before we started the video, you were saying that you looked at a Factory 5.
Yeah.
And when you got in the Factory 5, it was a bit tight.
It's a bit tight, yeah. So I've been wanting one of these all my life, and looking at all different makers of I was never gonna buy a real one.
Yeah.
So I wanted to get the replica, and the first Factory 5, I just didn't fit. Too big, too broad. Yeah. And so I found Backdraft Racing that made a big and tall edition, which is what this is, RT4B, blacked out, 21, built in 2021, out of Backdraft Racing. This car was ordered at a Lamborghini dealer down in Florida, and apparently the original purchaser bought this one to match a Lamborghini, so it's a Lamborghini paint color, Grigio Terrestrial.
Boy, say that 5 times.
Yeah, right. But this just checked all the boxes for me. I've been wanting one all my life, been pestering my wife for 26 years. She finally got tired of me pestering her, so she said, just get it. And this really just checked all the boxes with the color scheme, the tan interior, engine package, tire and wheel package, just the whole thing just checked all the boxes for me. So it's just been an absolute blast.
It is just gorgeous, and the paint color and the combination. So my friend has a Factory 5, and he's got a friend that his wife, she's burned her leg twice on the exhaust. I don't know that he has that heat deflector, shield, like that.
I'll be honest, after just a couple minutes, if you were to sit in the car, it's hot, but it won't burn you even 2 minutes later. So those heat deflectors really do work well.
And I love the knockoff wheels. And
yep, safety wired on.
Yeah.
In the right direction too. Sometimes you catch one that's safety wired the wrong way, so it won't hold the hub on with that.
Yes. And so you've had it 6 weeks, and it's a dream vehicle.
Yes.
Anything you plan on doing, taking it on trips, any upgrades, any changing of anything?
Probably not. I love going to all the cars and coffee events around this area. That's why I just keep an eye on all the shows. Just love to get it out and share the story behind it, and to talk about it, because it's been a dream of mine, and I know I've met a lot of people that's had the same or similar dream as well.
And any trips, or are you just gonna car show it?
Just car show it, probably. I drive out by the Augusta wineries all the time, 94, take a lot of trips out there. Love to just drive it, it's just an absolute fun car to drive.
So my friend has a Factory 5, and then his neighbor has a Factory 5. And 2 years ago, we're rebuilding a 61 Chevy step-side truck of mine, putting an LS in it. Anyway, 2 years ago, when my truck was on the road, we went out to Washington, Missouri, and so we'll have to connect so you can meet these guys, because they have
great
2 Factory 5s.
I'll move my chair out of the way too. You can get a shot of those rear meats on this thing. It's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
335s. So they definitely allow it to put some horsepower to the ground.
Holy shit. I want to see if I can get it with the sun. Man. More power than you thought it would have?
Yeah, it still scares the crap out of me.
Yeah, with that 427?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet.
Still learning, taking it easy on it. Only 2,000 miles. I put 800 on it since I bought it.
Yeah.
So still being kind to it, breaking it in.
Yeah. Well, thank you so very much for letting us shoot it.
Yeah, thank you.
And it's a pleasure meeting you, and thanks for telling us the story behind the car.
All right, nice meeting you too. Thank you.